Hello. Yeah, this time we will configure SSL VPN. Yeah, let's start. Okay. Yeah, first I will configure the GlobalProtect Portal, and then I will configure gateway. Yeah, let's see. Portal is just using the web browser, and then gateway use the client application. So let's start. First, ah, before doing that, yeah, we finish some configuration. First, I did not finish the before. First is additional settings and VPN. Here, first, yeah, you need to assign the security zone. If there is security zone is not configured, yeah, it's not working like other Cisco or FortiGate also. Yeah. I think almost firewall doesn't work. So new, this is outside or when, yeah. And then log setting, no. And then, yeah. Here, done. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, here first, interface management. Interface MGMT. 14. Thing default many MGMT profile. Okay, only ping because you went, and then inside we will not configure for the management the access, just allow the ping. And don't forget. Okay, permit any. It depends on your site. Yeah. And then interface, come back. Here, click. Yeah. Assign, outside, and then advanced. Click the default MGMT ping. Should I change the ping? And then DDNS. DDNS is not bad. Yeah, free DNS. Okay, later. Okay, and then okay. Okay, let's change name. Ping profile allowed. And assign, no, not that flow. Create inside. Okay, yeah. Advanced management, ping allowed. Okay, that's all. Yeah, here. And then remove. from inside interface. Okay. Why we remove this is when interface and the outside interface and then inside interface, they have the default route each, and then the system decide which packet will be moved to the some specific interface next to. So if there is two how can I say, two default route for the each different in each different security zone, yeah, it could cause some unexpected result. So yeah, don't forget to remove. And then I check that the how can I say, load balancing, static load balancing is not supported. Maybe I need to configure in the Cisco. Yeah, in the Cisco there is can configure the load balancing, but default the Palo Alto doesn't support the load balancing, so just remove. Even though load balancing also it could cause, yeah. Anyway, okay, done. And then yeah, commit before doing that. One, two, three, four. Yeah. Yeah, this is 50. 50 is outside. Okay, commit. Actually, it was not, ping was not working before. Don't forget to configure this. Why ping still was working? Yeah, first, yeah, ping should not working like this. But yeah, anyway. And yeah, done. And now I will create the portal first. Great. Let's test. It's working. I factory reset. No. I roll back the configuration. Maybe some configuration is it should not be working. It should not be working. But the ping also should not be working. It should have not been working. But I think because I roll back, that's why there is something issue. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, GP portal. GP portal, and then network setting, the outside, and then IP address, because it's DHCP there is nothing showing, and then just use factory default. I will not customize. I'm not ready. I don't want. Just to remain default, and then authentication. Here we need to create for the asset. We need to create the we need to generate the SSL, the certificate, to show the users accessing web, or to show them the certificate. Okay. First, this is GP portal. No, GP, yeah, GP VPN. Certificate create. Local certificate name is GP VPN. And then name, IP address outside, and then yeah, self certificate authority. Yeah, it itself is authority. And then just generate. And minimum TLS, and then maximum is okay. And then OS, any Windows, whatever, they can access whatever. Name is GP Client. Auth. And then create many things. Authentication, GP profile. Authentication is local database. Okay. And multi-factor, no. Allow the list, You see this the this mark, it mandatory. You need to type allow the list or Okay, we did not create any group or users, so we just configure all. Fail attempt, no. Logout, no. Cover-us, no. Okay, done. And then username, password, we can change it, but no. Enter. If you don't know, call me. 111111111. Like that. Okay, and with our client, no, just a user credential. Okay, done. And then portal data collection. No, it's advanced. It can gather information from the client. You see, customer check. If there is registry key, if there is no, maybe block like that, or just get, I don't know. Okay, and agent. GP agent. Client certificate no require. The user credential can save. And then cookie. Okay, cookie, because user just can save like that. I don't know where. And decrypt. The system. Okay, and then component require, no need. Save user credential, yes. And then cookie. If it say no, nothing change. Okay, and then user any any OS, and then user any internal Host detection, no need. Agent will read the gateway address from value. No, host detection, no, there is no. Actually, I don't know where. Internal host detection, each server. Okay, anyway, yeah, external. We need to create external. IP, external gateway is, yeah, for the external gateway. Yeah, just IP address, external gateway is when. This is when outside VPN, yeah. And then region, any region can use external gateway, this IP address. Okay, internal. And then user log always on. Global protection, yeah, app computer refresh 24 hours. User disable, no, yeah, allow. Single sign on, yes. I don't know. Yeah, just to remain default. No, NAT. Yeah. Yeah, each advanced or no. Yeah, just to remain welcome page. No. Okay, heap, no. Internal host detection IP address. Yeah, this is scanning. Scanning for the client. Okay, anyway, this is enough. Okay. And then trust root is VPN. And then, yeah, installing local root certificate. Because client, this is very nice. Because client doesn't need to install the certificate manually. It's nice. And then agent use override key. I don't know. Yeah, next time, client list VPN. You remember FortiGate? There is the web browser, and then we can access with the client list. With the web browser, we can use the VPN function. Yeah, I will not use. Okay, I think this is enough. Yeah, agent R, and then okay, and commit. 954. No? GP photo, GP. Invalid. Okay. FQDN invalid. Yeah. External. Yeah. IP. I will just use IP. Okay. Because we don't have a domain right now. And then set commit. What time? 20? Okay, done. And then check if it's okay. But how can? I need to create account. Yeah, okay. To form an interface, and then here change the global protect portal. Here general, and then authentication, and then agent. Only three I configured. How can in the web browser? Interesting. Yeah, this is a portal. Okay, wait, I will research a little bit. Yeah, I a little bit research. I googled. Interesting. The internal and then external. I did not expect this scenario. So I think it acting like the external. I was thinking just the VPN is the access for the from the internet. From the internet, and then just create some secure connection to access the enterprise resource. But in the 40 Palo Alto, they they how can I say, they they act like the what's the name, like for yeah um, IAM, acting like IAM, and then what other name, I forgot the word. The Anyway, interesting. It share the road. Yeah, this just to handle the SSL connection, and that for the big enterprise, many users. Ah, interesting. Mhm. Yeah, internal, and then it's just a kind of divide role. Yeah, if you have more than two, more than four, how can I say? Anyway, this is nice for the internal gateway, external gateway. But this is the just a portal. It's not the gateway. Yeah. It's just acting like a portal, and then yeah. After access with the portal, and then log in. Oh, yeah, gateway. It has. I wanna try next. Yeah, I wanna try. If I have the there is a need. I wanna try. Anyway, interesting. Okay. So external is usually this is common. Actually it does not need in other vendor. I think there is no require this. This is only for the Palo Alto to separate or share the road. Mm. Yeah, that's why I like studying the many vendor. Oh, idea is good. But Palo Alto is expensive. Okay, did I commit? What did I do? Okay, okay. Ah, yeah. I need to create the user here. Create, and then okay, and then done. Create a user. Create user. Okay, and then try to log in. Good. And then download, and then access web, access to web, VPN, GlobalProtect web, using the outside interface, and then download the agent. But see, error, could not find the file. After that, I did, yeah. After that, you see, GlobalProtect Client. Oh, why this? Portal for me. Yeah. Watch this, to format interface. Yeah. Okay. Oh, no. Yeah. Assign John to interface. Watch this. I change interface to DHCP. I think this is here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think, yeah. Okay, yeah, you see, oh, check now. When, I already check now before. What is the, yeah. When you access this page, the first, there is nothing show. So you should click the check now. Yeah, and then go to GlobalProtect Client. And then check now. Several times or a few times. Click. Yeah, because when I check now, or at the first, when I click the check now, oh, there is nothing show. There is something, the error message is showing there. It's not connected to the license server like that. But after a few minutes, I keep checking out, and then suddenly it's showing. Yeah, and then just okay, try. Yeah, most latest version. Successfully load. Okay. Teacher. If I click, error. Okay. Refresh. Error. Okay. Maybe I will relog in. Try. Oh, yeah. Maybe the page is static. Static page. Yeah. Please. Error. Activate. Okay, activate. Yeah, because my first time. Activate. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Currently downloaded. Okay. Good. Download. Oh, good. Yeah. It's not static. It's not static. Yeah. This link. Yeah. Just click and then. Oh, good. I'm not the web developer. I'm not. Okay. And then download. And then go back to web and download and install. Okay, open. Let's see. It's my first time. Oh yeah. Oh, what time? Good. Close and global Palo Alto. Where is the OP? Yeah, here. Palo Alto Global Protect. Oh, okay. Let's see. Connect. You are using Dongwon. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, it using cookie? Oh, yeah. Yeah, not signed trust. Okay. When I click, it automatically. Yeah, you see, there is there is my banner. Oh, yeah. I did not configure gateway. Now I will configure gateway. Oh, interesting. Certificate using the web. Okay. GP gateway. And then interface. Yeah, outside. DHCP authentication. Also, yeah, same. Add. GP, GW client. Any authentication profile. Yeah, same. The local database. It means the web logging and then access the client VPN logging can be separate. And then tunnel mode. Without tunnel mode, I never try. And okay, and just yeah, you can type any number. And configure GlobalProtect gateway. general authentication agent. Okay, tunnel 10, and then no need. Yeah, this is important. Always assign virtual router and then zone VPN. Okay. Okay. And then no. Just for the control, because the polish using the interface, they are using interface and then the security zone. So the meaningless tunnel, it should be created. And then default, just use default. Enable IPsec, to encrypt. And then client setting. See, there is how can I say? What's the name? Special symbol. Tilt. Tilt. Tilde. Right? Tilde. Okay, tilde. Tilde. You must configure client setting. Okay. Any source? Here. IP. What IP? Because this is tunnel mode, so IP address should be configured. Without tunnel mode, I need to store the SSL VPN mode. Okay, great. Just default. Done. Split tunnel? No need, right? All package should use this tunnel. And then DNS explicit. DNS server. Just to use this. What is my DNS? Okay, this time 8888. IP per. Okay, any, This is okay, right? User any OS source IP. No need. Region no need. This must match if and either region IP if specified, it must be. But okay. And then done. IP per. No need. Routing table, no. Should I? Later when it required. Heap. Interesting. This is a more advanced technology. But no need right now. and then primary. There is also primary client IP. I already configured here, so I think this is not necessary. This is not tunnel mode. No. Okay, try. Just click and commit. Try. It's working or not. Oh, looks good. Okay. Yeah, there is 2 error message. Yeah, VPN zone here. Publish, no, object, network. Yeah, network zone. It means in the zone, user must be detected in identified. Too slow, you. Why it's too slow already? What happened? Did I configure ICMP permit? What happened? Oh, my internet. Why internet is not working? Okay, my web browser problem. Yeah, it's finished, right? Finish. Tilde. Yeah, tilde. Over. Connected. Okay, that's why. Yeah. It's quite simple. Wow. Disable. I did not configure the IPs. Yeah. Okay, try. Okay, good. Okay, let's see again. John. Configure. Enable user identification in John. VPN John. And this IP106. Layer 3 interface. Tunnel interface. Tunnel. Enable. Okay, and then commit. Enable IP version 6. internal dot interface. See, there is no warning message anymore. Good. And then let's try create. This is VPN. Yeah. Like GlobalProtect. Universal. Yeah, universal. Interzone. Yeah, universal. Just default. Tag no need, group by tag no audit. Source VPN. And destination source address any, and then source user any, destination zone outside. You can specific the account. Yeah, and destination okay, application any, URL any, action allow, and then at the end, yeah, session end. Good. Okay, it's working. I don't know. No, location type. Location type. Anyway, this is quite simple. Wow. Yeah, maybe there must be option in here. Okay. Now enable. Still working. Connected. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, see? I assigned the IP address. And then NS logo. Oh. Yeah, DNS is working. It's not working. Okay. Now check out what is problem. Hit count. Yeah. NAT. NAT. NAT is not configured, right? There is a NAT. Name VPN. Yeah, VPN. Okay, original packet. VPN. Destination zone. Outside. Destination interface. Whatever. Yeah. Service. Whatever. Yeah. Source. Yeah. Translation. No. Yeah. VPN. Destination zone. Destination interface. Destination. Yeah. Any. Yeah. Whatever. source. Yeah, just to specify outside interface, service any. Yeah, just any. Original package, yeah. And translated. How can I? No. Yeah. Source address. Yeah, this. Static IP. No. Interface. Yeah, here. Okay, good. Yeah, this was what I want.
I found these results.
No, I didn't call you. Yeah, because DHCP. Okay, good. I never configured NAT before. Okay, configure. Okay, let's check one more time. Split tunnel. Let's make a split tunnel to keep accessing this. Okay, try split tunnel. Agent. Exclude. Okay. Okay. I think this is what I want. Try. Let's see routing table. I did not commit. Commit. Already internet. Commit. Already. Okay, maybe already. Let's see routing. Yeah, commit is not. Okay, whatever. Ping. Oh yeah, working. And then commit. Yeah, good. Split tunnel. Yeah. Refresh connection. Let's see if it was configured well. Not yet. Okay. Oh, yeah. Here, split tunnel is configured. Good. So, trace. See, it's using the original router. Right. Ah, yeah, next hop. Yeah, right. At the next hop IP address using the VPN. Yeah, I think it's working well. Yeah, but yeah, let's check maybe some traffic. Let's generate. Yeah, neighbor or YouTube and Google. Oh, yeah, right. I'm in the Philippines, but the VPN is in the USA. Yeah, that's why it's too slow. And then, yeah, what is my IP address? But anyway, why you are too slow? Do not show again. Okay, monitor. Let's see traffic. Clear. Yeah, I'm using traffic. What time? Yeah. Ping still working. No, it's not. DNS lookup. Okay, SSL. Yeah, I'm accessing. Yeah, application, YouTube, and then show. Yeah, here 100. Yeah, it's showing only minimal information. Yeah, like just L4 firewall. What could be forged or the LinkedIn? Manually? Oh, what time? Oh, already 1 hour? Oh, okay. DNS lookup. Oh, LinkedIn application, Yahoo. It, yeah, it diagnosed some, only some. Okay, URL filtering. I did not configure URL filtering while file data filtering. Yeah. Heap. Oh, interesting heap. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Application, yeah, there is no, yeah, it's not like the FortiGate. There is no applications. Okay, let's finish to, oh yeah, here, summary. App scope. App scope is what I looking for. No data. Yeah, 1 hour. Web browsing ping. Yeah. Change monitor, thread monitor. No data yet. Okay, let's finish this and then yeah, see you. Yeah, let's digging up. Yeah, the Palo Alto. Okay, thank you for watching and yeah, see you. No, what?